So guys, today we're trying new sushi. New for me. Listen, can I see that? At least we got the avocado, the rice, the crunchy breadcrumbs, whatever the green paper is. Scott always call it seaweed. And Scott trying something new today too. This is a new tray for her.
And I like it.
Yep, I'm loving mine so far too. So
I like this one. I don't use the chopstick. I always do this.
she eat the crab by itself.
And then I eat that. But I don't peel it. Do you know y'all can peel it?
Oh, I didn't know that. I never knew that.
So if you ran out, you can just boop, eat. That's what I do. Well, this is my first time doing it. I don't know what this is. But what is this?
I'm really not sure. I have to read the tray.
I don't like it.
How you gonna say you don't like it? And you ain't even taste it.
I just know I don't like it. I like this.
Devoured. Well, all right, you guys.
No.
Why every time I say that, you always say that? You want to keep the camera rolling? So yeah, it's that seaweed. Look like the skin off a fish. When I skin the fish, take all the skin off of it. It kind of looks like that. Or yeah, off sardines. Oh, I got a phone call. Bye, guys.